And how fucking dare anyone out there try to fire Big Bird after everything he's been through? He can't find the snuffleupagus. The snuffleupagus keeps disappearing and everybody thinks that Big Bird is lying when we all know the snuffleupagus is real. All Mitt Romney cares about is money. He doesn't care about Big Bird or the 47% of his friends that live on Sesame Street. He doesn't care about Sesame Street or Main Street. He just cares about Wall Street. He's a bird. A big yellow bird. What you don't realize is that Big Bird is making you a lot of money. And he's educating your kids. And all you want to do is write crap about him and get him fired. He hasn't left the block in years. He hasn't flown away from Sesame Street in years. And with good reason. Because all Mitt Romney wants to do is clip his wings, clip his wings, clip his wings. Leave him alone. You're lucky he even does numbers and alphabets and sings to your children, you bastards. Leave Big Bird alone. Please. Wannabe Press Romney wants to cut Big Bird. Why? Because of professionalism? Speaking of professionalism, how professional is it to publicly bash a bird who's been going through such a rough time? He can't find the snuffleupagus. Leave Big Bird alone. Please. Leave him alone. Leave Big Bird alone right now. I mean it. Anyone who has a problem with Big Bird is gonna have to deal with me because Big Bird is going through a rough time. He can't find the snuffleupagus. And until the snuffleupagus shows his face to the world, just leave Big Bird alone. And his friends at Sesame Street and PBS. And the 47%, you big bully! He's just a bird. A big yellow bird. But he's part of the 47%. Just leave him alone.